In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free funded account of $100, no deposit bonus to start trading with. And if you meet their terms and conditions, you will be able to withdraw from it. And also, I got a lot of messages from people who have been able to claim their 100,000 free funded account from the previous video that I made. So if you haven't gotten yours, the bonus is still very much available. What you just have to do is go to my previous video, watch the video to the very end where I showed detailed step-by-step process on how you can get a 100,000 US dollars pre-funded account to start trading with. Alright, so as I was saying in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus to start trading with. Alright, so before we continue, I want you to like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click on your notification button to get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. So let's get started. Alright, so the name of the broker we are going to be working with this time around is called Axofa. Axofa. So all you just have to do is check the comment section under this video. I will drop a link there. Well, I'm going to drop two links actually, and one link is for this $100 no deposit bonus, and the other one is for you to join my free forex class that I'll be doing very soon, and that's where I'll be showing you how you can start a profitable forex journey. Alright, so let's continue. When you click on the link for this bonus, you click on it, it's going to take you to a page, and all you just have to do is click on the register button, and sign up with your email address. You're going to get a verification code for your email. You're going to get a verification code, so input the verification code, and after verifying your email, log into the account, log into the Axofa account, and after logging in, verify your account with your means of identification. So as in Nigeria, it's either you verify with your national ID or international passport or your driver's license. Alright, just verify with any means of identification that you have. Alright, so the next step here is to become an IB. And if you want to become an IB, you don't have to pay any money. Alright, so you don't have to pay any money. It's called a no deposit bonus, so you don't have to pay any money to become an IB. All you just have to do is go to the side menu bar, click on it, and then you are going to find the IB menu. So you click on the IB menu. After that, you are going to click register. After registering, you are going to save the link. Alright, so you have to save the link. You see it right here, that's why I circled. This is the link, so you have to save the link. And after that, alright, so on to the next step. Okay, so I feel this place is the most difficult part of claiming the bonus. Alright, so all you just have to do right now is to invite 10 of your friends to join the welcome bonus of $100 and help them to register. After that, help them become an IB just as you have, and help them also invite at least one friend. Alright, okay guys, so let's get on to the next step. After inviting your friends, all you just have to do is to open the $100 welcome account. Alright, so you have to click on the side menu bar. You see MT5, click on MT5. You're going to see the welcome $100, click on it, and then you accept to the terms and condition, which is promotion only. Click on it and click on open account. Okay, so click on open account. Okay, so after clicking on open account, you wait for them. So they're going to check their requirements. They said the system will check all the requirements before your account is approved. So they are going to see if you have invited 10 of your friends and if you helped them. So if you have helped them, the welcome bonus will be approved. But if not, the account details request will be rejected. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so after you've met the requirements, the next thing for them to do is to approve your account. Okay, so they are going to credit you with $100, no deposit bonus, and you have to claim it before you can be able to use it to start trading. So all you just have to do is go to the menu bar, you click on bonuses right here, bonuses, and then you are going to see the bonus there. So you have to click on claim, click on it, click on claim, and the next step for you now is to log into your MT5 account. Now the details to log into your MT5 account will be sent to your email that you used to register. So the next step is to log into your MT5 account. And after you've logged into your MT5 account, all you just have to do is start trading with it. And as for the terms and condition attached to this no deposit bonus, all you just have to do here is you have only one lot size to trade, only one lot size. And for you to be able to withdraw, when your lot size have been complete, you are eligible for withdrawal. All you just have to do is ensure that your friends are trading. So this is it. We will be back to check your 10 friends if all your friends are actively trading at least one lot. So you see that. So that's all you need to know about the bonus. Alright guys, so I hope you're able to claim your own bonus, and if you are not able to claim it, let me know in the comment section so that I can attend to you. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online.